when comparing AutoZone to Napa for auto parts. Both stores offer a wide range of products, but each has its strengths that cater to different needs. AutoZone provides accessibility with over 6,000 locations, ensuring you won't have to drive far to find one. Napa, on the other hand, is famous for its high-quality parts, often sourced from reputable manufacturers. This makes it a solid choice for those who prioritize durability and reliability over sheer convenience. It's like buying a trusty shield for your vehicle. Pricing is a common pain point when choosing between these two giants. AutoZone often has deals and competitive pricing that caters to budget-conscious consumers. If scoring deals is your thing, AutoZone might have the upper hand. However, Napa provides excellent value with premium products, even if the upfront cost is slightly higher. It's often seen as a long-term investment. Think of it like buying an expensive coat that'll last you through countless winters. Another key factor is the level of expertise offered in each store. AutoZone employees typically have a reputation for being approachable and helpful for quick fixes. They suit the person who prefers a DIY approach without much fuss. Napa staff, however, usually consists of more experienced automotive professionals who can offer deeper insights and advice. This appeals to those facing complex mechanical issues and needing detailed guidance. If your car is your canvas, Napa is your mentor. What's more, the range of specialty items at Napa surpasses that at AutoZone. Only Napa seems to stock those elusive parts for vintage or rare car models. If you're restoring a classic, this can be your treasure chest. A common complaint against AutoZone is that its parts might not always stand the test of time, prompting returns and repeated purchases. And it's something to consider if your priority is low maintenance over the long haul. Both stores have rewards programs, right? In AutoZone's rewards and Napa's Napa rewards. They cater to frequent buyers, but AutoZone often edges ahead with a straightforward point system. Earn, redeem, and repeat. Simple as that. Online shopping options reveal that AutoZone tends to have a more user-friendly interface with in-depth guides and video tutorials for the DIY enthusiast. It's like having a digital buddy walking you through fixes and upgrades step by step. Napa's online store often impresses with its thorough product descriptions and detailed specifications. If you're the type who reads the fine print, this feature can be quite handy. It's almost as if Napa is whispering secrets to those who listen. In conclusion, choosing between AutoZone and Napa boils down to your personal needs and preferences. It's akin to choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a trusted toolbox. Each has its unique charm and utility,